Hello everyone, we are going to compare CS2 versus CSGO performance, and we will come to know about how much FPS this getting, how much we're losing and how much we're gaining. Right, so it's no surprise that CS2 runs at lower frame rates, and of course the game was made pretty early as compared to CSGO. On the same specs, the extensive graphics and mechanical improvement call for more powerful system. That's the way it is, right? Now here you will find this. This was in the favor of game as even player on lower end hardware could get competitive frame rates, such as 60 Hz, 144 or 240, right? Now if you just compare, you can see this, right? This is a CSGO, and you can see it's compare on the same settings on the same system, right? i9, it's 12th generation, 32 GB DDR5, right? RAM, I'm sorry, SSD. Now once everything is done, you can here say that the CSGO, the FPS, right? If we are using the graphic card which is called RTX 4060, the latest one, and same way we can see the FPS on CS2, right? So there's a huge difference because we know the CS2 was made pretty early, though those the game which was made for the older generation and older specs. But right now you will see there's a huge improvement, right, in the case of CSGO, because this is just, you can compare as a latest gen here. Now you can see here, this is same comparison, you can just check out, right? This is 440 fps, you can highly achieve the highest, right? This is just the highest. Same goes for 318, right? And you can just read the data by yourself, you will get an idea. And this was about the CSGO, and this is about the uh, CS2. And now let's talk about the system latency and reflex in CSGO. You can watch this up, right? And of course, you can get it here how much the difference there is, right? So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.